drone made it through. Literally just got up. It's 6:30 right now. But anyways, today we're going to a coffee plantation, which is gonna be cool. So many beautiful species. I'm trying to get slow-mo shots of them. Okay, so today we're at the Animal Rehabilitation Center, and there's a few macaws behind me. They're so beautiful. So after this, we're going to La Fortuna, where the Arenal volcano is, and then that's it for the day, and yeah. Right now we're here at La Loma del Volcan. So I flew the drone first thing when we got here, and I played some frisbee with some kids. Anyways, that was fun, and now I'm just enjoying the view. That's it for the day, and yeah. So we woke up like maybe 10 minutes ago. It's like 6 o'clock now, and you can see the volcano pretty well. And so there's like a trail, so we're gonna walk that for a little bit and see if we can get some good views. Let's go do that. Here we are, the sun's looking beautiful. We've been going for like 10 minutes now, and it's so noisy. There's a bunch of different animals just going off. And we're like half a mile in right now. I don't think we're gonna go to the top.
Do you have a YouTube channel? Got Paparazzi 2017.
And all the people say
So today we went to the hanging bridges, which is a lot of fun. Dad and I are out here. We're gonna be going surfing for a little bit. We only have one surfboard, so I have a boogie board, and we're gonna take turns, and this is gonna be awesome.
Thank you.
it for the day. There's a lot of fun zip lining and surfing. We made it to the hotel and it looks awesome. Right now we're just going to the beach. This is Manuel Antonio. It's beautiful If you guys clicked on this video because you want to go to Costa Rica, I would 100% recommend it. You should definitely come. And I did not get paid to say that, so. Okay guys, today is the last day in Costa Rica and kind of bummed out because it's been a lot of fun. But today we're going to Manuel Antonio National Park. And apparently that's really, really beautiful and lush. So I'm excited to do that on our last day. It's just probably like a 45-minute hike, and there's a beautiful beach, and that's gonna be awesome. So let's go do that. We made it, and it's absolutely beautiful here. I cannot wait to put my drone up. This is gonna be so awesome. This is I've never seen anything this beautiful before.
Cause it's all white noise, swallowing me. Taking your high horse and I'll be free. Cause it's all white noise, swallowing me. Maybe we'll know why eventually. We see through the stars, burning in the atmosphere. Down on the boulevard, tell me what I want to.
Okay, so there's like a little walk thing, the circle, that you can go up to the far point, and we just went on it, and the monkeys kept getting a little bit closer until finally it came right up to us, and one of them actually tried to grab my mic. I'm so sweaty right now, and the water looks refreshing and really nice. So I'm gonna take the GoPro out and go snorkeling and see what we can get.
But you don't want to know. Cause it's all white